Hurricane Fiona makes landfall in Puerto Rico's southwest coast on Sunday. The hurricane unleashed landslides, knocked the power grid out and ripped up asphalt from roads and bridges. Rushing rivers of mud water enveloped cars, first floors, and even an airport runway in the island's southern region. The storm's clouds covered the entire island and tropical storm-force winds extended as far as 140 miles, 220 kilometers, from Fiona's center. Weather forecasters said the storm threatened to dump historic levels of rain on Sunday and Monday, with up to 30 inches possible in eastern and southern Puerto Rico. The storm washed away a bridge in the central mountain town of Utuado that police say was installed by the National Guard after Hurricane Maria hit in 2017. It was moving to the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour, 17 kilometers per hour. Fiona struck on the anniversary of Hurricane Hugo, which hit Puerto Rico 33 years ago as a Category 3 storm. Fiona was centered 45 miles, 75 kilometers, south-southeast of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic with maximum sustained winds of 85 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour, on Sunday night, according to the U.S. National Hurricane Center. The storm wiped out power to most of the island before crashing into the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Ricans who remember the wrath of Hurricane Maria in 2017 say Fiona might be more destructive.